Here's how to make highlights on Instagram in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Instagram highlights let you save your stories and keep them on your profile permanently, even after 24 hours. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Under your bio, tap New or the plus icon to create a new highlight. Choose the stories you want to add to the highlight. These can be past stories from your archive. After selecting your stories, tap Next to continue. Enter a name for your highlight. Keep it short and clear so it looks good on your profile. Tap Edit Cover. Select a story or photo to use as the highlight cover. Tap Done or Add. Your highlight will appear on your profile instantly. You can edit highlights anytime by tapping and holding on them from your profile. And that's it. You've successfully created Instagram highlights. Subscribe for more Instagram tips.